So I turned off the unboxing music. Let's see. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's already a couple of chips in the blade just from unboxing it. Something's... Where's it at? Right there. Isn't that cute? And up towards the tip there's a couple more little it's kind of hard to fucking see here. I mean, it's pretty sharp. Right there. And a couple of flat spots on the edge. Just another little ding. Oh, I just felt one. That one's really small. Right there. Oh wait, is that it? Maybe. It's got a pretty good polish on it. You see? Oh look, there's my thumb. Hi, thumb. So the polish kinda is incredible. Well, that kinda sucks. Also, the tip's a little rolled off to this side. I can feel it like a hook. Grab it onto my fingerprint on this side. Oh well, fuck it. This is standard grade. Don't bother with the munitions or the blemished because it'll be worse. It's still pretty, I guess, but the edge is not perfect right out of the box. No. Oh well, we'll see what it does to some bottles. If it just fucking baseball bats them, then I'll complain. I think it's sharp enough it'll cut bottles. Yeah. It's definitely sharper than the Honshu.